Welcome to the BudgetEase broadcast. So you've decided to close your business, not to sell it, just wrap it up and move on. Maybe the idea of working for someone else makes you cringe, or maybe it's just time. Either way, here's how to close your business cleanly and confidently. Start with your bookkeeper. Get your QuickBooks up to date, download your reports, and reconcile everything. Pay your bills, collect what's owed, and prep for final tax filings. Next, talk to your accountant. They'll help you file your final returns, figure out the best timing, especially if you've got assets and payroll to deal with. Then, check with your attorney. You'll need to file dissolution paperwork, notify vendors, and know how long to keep your records. Now, cancel your subscriptions, QuickBooks, Microsoft 365, LinkedIn, anything you're no longer using, and decide what to do with your website and emails and your phone number. Close your accounts, bank, credit cards, loans. Once everything's settled, and if you had employees, issue final paychecks, W-2s, 1099s, and file those last payroll reports. And finally, deal with your stuff. Sell or donate office supplies and keep your financial and tax records for 3 to 7 years, just in case the IRS comes knocking. Closing your business is a big step, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you need help cleaning up your books or navigating the process, reach out to us at BudgetEase. We're here to help and to finish you strong. Hey, thanks for joining the BudgetEase broadcast. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to having you join us at the next one.